Hi guys, today we have the AVATA here, and if you noticed, it looks a little bit different. We have a new prop guard on here, and today we're going to be putting on some master air screw props. So today we're going to show you how to put some new props on your AVATA. Okay, first off, you're going to need this little Allen wrench, which would have came with your AVATA. And this little Allen wrench is going to remove the two screws. I don't know if you can see those screws. There's two tiny screws right there that hold your AVATA props on. So let's get started. And two screws removed. Now, with the master air screw props, they send you their own screws, so I think that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the screws that actually came with the master air screw props. Now you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but the DJI screws are black. These are kind of a silver color. Okay, so now you want to make sure, let's pull this prop off. Now you want to make sure that the on the new prop, that the slant of the blades is going to be the same. So let's take a look at the props on this one here. So on this one here, they're actually going the opposite direction, so we can't use this one. Okay, so on this one here, it's actually slanting the same way. So we're going to use this prop to replace this prop. Now you want to make sure that these props are nice and secure. Make sure you did get it lined up with the hole, and just kind of pull on the prop a little bit just to make sure that they actually are on tight. And I wouldn't over tighten them, but definitely nice and tight. And just give it a little spin, make sure everything is okay. All right, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, guys, we finished putting all 4 props on the AVATA. Boy, she looks cool. She looks cool. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so all we got to do now is take her out for a test flight. Now, by putting on these different props, and they're not DJI, I think for a while we'll just fly it above land and not over water till we know that these props are actually working properly and we don't have any issues. And I think for the next little while after each flight, we're just going to double check the screws and make sure the screws haven't come loose or the props haven't come loose. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.